So Cedric, what were your impressions of Expo so far?
Oh, it's exciting. I'm totally overwhelmed by the place. It's much larger than I expected, and it's just great to see the spirit of innovation and SAP being in the middle of it.
Fantastic, isn't it? So Cedric, you were here today at our AgriBusiness Insight Day. So what are the top insights you have to share with our customers in the region?
Oh, we talked a bit about innovation and then had a strong focus on sustainability. I think I heard so interesting things also from customer side on how much they want to put efforts into increasing sustainability in agribusiness. That was really fitting our strategy. And yeah, I think overall I'm really excited to work with customers and learn from customers in this region about their regional challenges and things they need to consider. And I'm also very much surprised by the global perspective. A lot of the customers I spoke today, so I learned a lot about the global investments, and that's also very interesting.
Yeah, we had an interesting question, didn't we, from one of the customers in attendance about mangoes. You want to explain that question?
Yeah, so the question was how you can optimize the farming around mango trees and how you can capture data. And it touches so many aspects of how you can collect data, how you can optimize the quality of the data and then use it to optimize a business process. And we are putting a lot of effort into making that possible with our industry cloud solutions and helping customers specifically in such innovation cases where you need to bring the specific experience, farming experience of the customers. They know how to farm mango for years, together with the tools and technology and solutions that we can bring to digitize this experience and run the next generation process.
Right. And so, my final question is about industry clouds. What role do you see SAP Industry Cloud playing in the agricultural industry to deliver innovation?
Yeah, I think I see it as a key enabler to come to integrated processes. There's a lot of innovation here and there. We see there's a lot of customers doing pilots here and there, but they really struggle to integrate these innovations back into the end-to-end process. And I think that's where we as SAP can come in with our strength in building standard software solutions that enable these standard processes end-to-end, and then have customers themselves bringing these innovations and partners and startups bringing these innovations. I think that's the direction I clearly see.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you, Cedric. And I hope to have you with us in Dubai again very soon and share some more insights with our customers. So thank you, everyone. See you again soon.